Getting an erection is supposed to feel good. But what if it hurts? You're not alone if you've asked. Is it normal for a guy to feel pain when he gets hard? Today we're breaking down what's normal, what's not, and what might be causing it, especially after 50. Hi, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. This channel is here to help men over 50 understand their bodies without shame. Just facts, clarity, and confidence. Erections change with age. Let's talk about the times they can hurt and why. 1. Morning erections with a full bladder. Very common. The pressure from a full bladder can make morning wood uncomfortable or even painful. Usually nothing to worry about. 2. Peyronie's disease, caused by scar tissue in the shaft, can lead to curved, painful erections. More common in men over 40. If your erections are suddenly painful and bending more than before, this could be it. 3. Priapism, rare but serious. A painful erection that won't go away, lasting 4+ hours. Not related to sexual arousal. Can cause permanent damage if not treated. This is an emergency. Go to the ER if this ever happens. 4. Infections or inflammation. Urethritis, prostatitis, or even STIs can cause burning, stinging, or deep pelvic pain during arousal or erection. Look for other symptoms. Discharge, fever, painful urination. See your doctor. 5. Tight foreskin, phimosis. If you're uncircumcised, a tight foreskin can cause pain or tearing during erection. This can be treated, don't live in pain. 6. Psychological tension, performance anxiety. Erections can become physically uncomfortable when you're tense or anxious. The body holds stress, and arousal mixed with fear or pressure can create discomfort. Consider this if the pain comes and goes with mood or situation. 7. Overstimulation or lack of lubrication. Especially during masturbation or dry sex, this can cause irritation or soreness. Simple fix. Use lube, go slower, allow rest. It's time to talk to a professional if pain happens regularly with erections. You see swelling, redness, or bending. Erections last too long, 3+ hours. Pain continues after sex or climax. The earlier you ask, the better the outcome. So, is it painful when a guy gets hard? Not usually. But if it is, your body might be trying to tell you something. Don't ignore pain, it's a signal, not a weakness. If this video helped you feel more informed, hit like. Subscribe for weekly videos that answer real men's questions without judgment. And if the pain happens after sex, don't miss my next video. Why pain in penis balls? It's all explained there.